Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove duplicates in Airtable automatically. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, head over to Airtable's website and then sign into your account. After signing in successfully, you'll land on your Airtable homepage. From here, locate the project you want to work with. Click on the project that contains the data needing cleanup. It may be an example project or a testing workspace. Once inside your project dashboard, look for the Tools option at the top right corner, and from this menu select Extensions. Click on it and a panel will open on the right side. Select the Add an Extension button and a search bar will appear. In this bar, type dedupe. This extension is specifically designed for identifying and managing duplicates. When it appears in the results, select it and click Add to integrate it into your project. After adding the extension, you'll need to choose which table you want to work with. Click Pick a Table and select the table you want to review for duplicates. With your table chosen, identify the field or record you suspect contains duplicate information. Once Airtable highlights duplicate sets, you can review each group carefully. When you identify a duplicate set, choose the specific record you want to keep as the primary entry. After selecting the primary record, click Use as Primary Record to confirm your choice. Then proceed by clicking Merge and Delete two records, which ensures that unnecessary mirrored entries are removed from your table. Finally, confirm the action by clicking Merge, and that's it. So that is how you can remove duplicates in Airtable automatically. So that's all for this video. Thanks.